Hey guys, so in this video I just want to talk about just kind of a cool experience I had when it comes to email marketing. So people think that kind of make things a little more complex than they need to be, and I'll explain what I mean. Because when I first started my online business and I started, like creating a list, doing email marketing, sending emails out to people, I wrote up some pretty terrible emails at first. I mean, I wasn't good at it. I didn't know as much about copywriting or persuasion, style, that kind of thing. So I sent out some awful emails. But the thing is that they worked though. They got opened and they got clicked and things happened because I had them in place. So instead of getting more complicated and, making things harder to understand, what I actually did, what made the most results or change for me, was going and making things simpler, right? And what I mean is I learned a really good formula as far as writing when it comes to sending like emails, even just like a broadcast to your list, because you want them to go and buy something or sign up for something or do whatever, is like a three-step formula. And I learned this three-step formula way back. I can't remember who it was. I think it might have been Ryan Dice or something along those lines, somewhere along there. But it was just like a really simple formula. And so the good thing with simple formulas is that they're easy to remember and usually easy to implement. So this three-step formula was, here's what I've got, here's what it'll do for you, and here's what to do next. And the reason why this is so powerful is I've got the email, I've saved I took a screenshot of it so I could save it because it was so awesome, is that I used that exact formula. I sent an email out to my list and I had a lady reply to me saying that the link in the email wasn't working, that she wanted to buy, please help her out. Like, how awesome is that? You get an email from someone saying, well, not awesome that the link wasn't working. I don't know. Excuse me, I tested out the link before I sent it and it was working, but I don't know, maybe she was trying to access it on like her iPad or something like that. So yeah, I just replied and sent her a link to the order page, and then boom, within a minute of sending that email, I could see that she had purchased and made it happen just because of that simple formula. So that's how easy it is with email marketing, is that once you've got your own audience, you can just write up a simple broadcast email using that formula of, here's what I've got, here's what it'll do for you, and here's what to do next. Then it works like magic, I tell you. It's very similar to like maybe problem, agitate, solution. If you've heard of that style or format of email copywriting, or even copywriting in general, that one seems to work good. But always just remember that three-step formula of, here's what I've got, here's what it'll do for you, here's what to do next. And you will usually put out some good stuff and get some good results and have people saying like, hey, I want to go and buy from you. And it's an awesome feeling when someone's like, shut up and take my money. So thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.